Good afternoon, Miguel Seal with the Winston Minute, our report at the market's close. Following the day of congressional elections, we saw a strong rally within the markets. Effectively, markets don't like political change or volatility, so this maintenance of the status quo was a growth opportunity for indices today. We saw the Dow Jones up about 2% or 550 points roughly, the S&P up 2% as well, and the NASDAQ up 2.6%, rallying very strongly. Today, our focus was on identifying the best and worst performing sectors. The best performing sectors being internet companies, anything related to internet sales, information data gathering. Second were software application companies, mostly B2B software type names. And then third being healthcare and healthcare supplements and insurance, which was very expected because now we don't expect any reform to the current healthcare plans of the government or healthcare mandates. Also, regulation towards internet companies, it's not loosening, but at least now we're not expecting any change in course. So, of course, the internet companies rallied, a little more volatile than other sectors, and overall some fairly good news for them today. The worst sectors being hotels and REITs. The second worst being personal product companies. I'm assuming these are consumer goods, not related to sort of internet sales companies. And then we also saw home building and then broadcasting. Those types of sectors did extremely poorly, ranging down 4% all the way down to about 1.6%. So we saw that today. The last but not least, Jeff Sessions resigning, bringing up a lot of implication of why he resigned. Was he forced out by Trump, and what this will mean for the Russia probe of the Trump administration, and who will have the ability to widen or close the scope. More on that. And in fact, I'm going to include a chart today in the email that kind of gives a good visualization of all of the cabinet changes under the Trump administration. That's all I have for today. Catch up with us tomorrow morning at 9:45, and once again at the market's close.